Welcome to our channel. Let's see what is today in Tripura's world in Germany. Seems like she's gonna make a smoothie. So what do we got? Honey and papaya, peanut butter and milk. This seems to be my favorite smoothie, papaya peanut butter smoothie. This is very delicious and I would really have this is as my pre-workout or post-workout drink, and it really gives you the energy what you really need. Let's see the preparation of this wonderful smoothie. Okay, so now put those papaya cubes in your blender and peanut butter. So this peanut butter is really the pure one without any palm oil or additional sugars. It's the pure one which I got from my protein shake powder shop. It's really good. And now we will add 1 glass of skimmed milk. So here you usually get like two fat types, 3.8 and 1.5%. So this is like 1.5% milk. And just grind it for a while. And now add 1 glass of water. So where we actually took the milk initially, so the same glass. So ideally it's like 1 glass of milk and 1 glass of water. And now actually the smoothie is really ready without the honey part. So people who like less sugar can have it already right now, and those who are like me to have a little bit more sugar can have a teaspoon of honey and literally end your sweet craving. So this is for my wife without the honey part, and then I'm gonna have also for my son with a little bit of honey. So now the smoothie is ready to be served and it's finished. Oh wow, look at that. I can't wait to have it already. So from today's video, we have seen the easy and simple recipe of this delicious papaya peanut butter smoothie. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. So please watch and do try it at home and let us know in the comment section, and please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.